Okay, so yeah, might have went just a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, just a little bit overboard at the Nike outlet this morning. My goodness, guys, it's been snowing all night. It's been snowing all morning. Since last night, we've gotten 6-7 inches of snow. It's ridiculous. I took a drive this morning to go to my grandpa's for breakfast. It should take 20-25 minutes. I've been in the car for well over an hour. Now there's giant snowbanks in front of me from the snowplow. I don't even know if I can drive over these. This is the problem with winter in Winnipeg. It is absolutely terrible when it snows out. Everyone forgets how to drive. It turns into like LA rush hour, just bumper to bumper to bumper, and it takes forever to get anywhere. Anyway, we finally made it. I hope you guys are feeling good. I hope you guys are feeling great. Let me know how you're doing down in the comment section below, and make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. We just pulled up to my grandpa's condo. We're going for breakfast, and my grandpa lives like a block and a half away from the Nike outlet. So you know we're gonna hit that up when we're done. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is absolutely terrible. This is all from last night and this morning. Oh, it's windy, it's freezing. You know what? I'm not complaining about the weather anymore today. I may have 2 feet full of snow right now. Not gonna complain. Oh, I completely got my shoes full of snow already. Almost fell. Good to go. Alright, so we are back downtown inside of an office supply store. Breakfast was good, and the Nike outlet, oh my goodness, the Nike outlet was amazing. We will get to that in a second, but now I need to pick up some boxes. I've been buying so many shoes lately, selling so many shoes lately, and I had this huge accumulation of boxes of stuff from Champ Sports, stuff that I bought, just a whole bunch of boxes piling up and piling up. I finally ran out of them. So now I actually need to buy some. I have no earthly idea what size I need. Maybe 12 by 12 by 6? Maybe? I don't even know how big shoe boxes are, to be 100% honest. I'm gonna have to like fold these up in the store and think if it can fit a shoebox or not. I think this one's good. Hopefully, maybe. I honestly have no idea. This is probably way too big. Anyway, it's $4.20. That's an expensive box. All right, we're done packing up the shoes. 4 pairs that I'm sending out to StockX. Only like 245 more to go. We're making progress. Sort of. Seriously though, if you guys have ever tried to sell your sneaker collection and actually get fair market value for them, it is not an easy task. Yeah, I could unload all of them and sell them for 15-20% below asking price and get rid of them all. I could sell them in bulk lots. I could sell them, you know, 30 pairs to that person, 20 pairs to that person. I could sell them really, really quick if I wanted to, but I mean, why lose money when you don't have to? I don't need the money. I just need the space, and I want to make as much money off of them as possible. So 4 more pairs going out to StockX. StockX is amazing. This isn't even sponsored by StockX, but StockX is amazing. StockX, thank you for being you. You helped me make some money, you helped me sell some shoes. Speaking of making money and selling shoes, well, not even specifically that, just speaking of the come up of a century, of a lifetime, of an eon. Okay, it's not actually that impressive. I mean, we got some shoes for a really good price. I bought 4 pairs from the Nike outlet. Let's check these out. Okay, so we got the 4 pairs of sneakers right here. What an amazing day. So all the numbers I mentioned in this segment will be in Canadian dollars. These things retailed for 245 Canadian dollars. I bought 4 pairs of the exact same pair of shoes. 3 size 12, 1 size 13. These retailed for 245 Canadian. They came out well over a year ago, and we're sitting at the Nike outlet for 145. Where is my receipt? $149.99, so almost $100 off of retail. That's $169.49 after tax, and I looked on StockX and I saw that these things, depending on the size, especially size 12 and 13, are selling for between $290 and $340 Canadian dollars. Keep in mind, these things cost $169 in the store. As you can probably tell, it's a pair of LeBron 15s. I love this model. I've been playing basketball in this model recently. It's very, very comfortable. I love the lockdown. It's a great model to play ball in. And I wanted to pick up a pair of these for myself, and then it was limit 1 per customer, so I got 3 of my closest family members to pick up pairs for me, and ended up with 4 pairs of them. So I'm gonna be giving away one of these to you guys. I only have size 12 and 13s here. There's tons of more sizes at the Nike outlet though, so I'll go and buy whatever size you guys want. All you guys need to do is follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniuk, and then comment your Instagram down below. I'm gonna choose one of the random comments in like 2 or 3 days, and if you're following me on Instagram and your username is down below, I'm gonna pick you no matter where you live in the world to win a pair of these shoes in your size. Because oh my goodness, look at these things. They are absolutely amazing. The LeBron 11 multicolor Fruity Pebbles, cereal, whatever you guys want to call them. These are one of the greatest LeBron 15s to come out. I love the LeBron 15. It's my favorite LeBron besides the 11. I love how it looks. I love the Flyknit. I love the texturing of the Flyknit, how there's these big bumps on it. And I know, yeah, it's technically called Battle Knit or Armor Knit or some really cringy weird name like that. It's freaking Flyknit. I love this though. It's white, it's icy blue, it's that crazy bright multicolor, and it just looks so loud and eye-catching. Like, you can't not see someone wearing these. You can't pass by someone and not realize that they had these on. These things are ridiculously loud, and I love that, especially for a basketball shoe. I'm not really sure how I would wear these casually, or if I would even try and wear them casually. I'm sure there's potential for that, and I'm sure someone could find a way to make them look good. Probably not me. So yeah, I ended up with 4 pairs of these. Excessive a little bit. Good investment, 100% yes, because these things cost $169, and as I said, they're selling for $300. I'm gonna keep one of these, play basketball on one of them. I'm gonna give away one of them to you, and then who knows what I will do with the other 2. Wow, 4 pairs of these, probably gonna get a 5th, probably gonna get a 6th, because this is just too good of a price to pass up. As far as I know, it's 1 per customer per day, so I'm just gonna go back once a day until these things aren't there anymore. Because what an amazing deal on a sick pair of sneakers. Now these are sick, I have the black ones, but they also really remind me of another pair of sneakers that I have. So here's the black ones, which I don't think I need to explain the similarities between, because I mean, look at them, they're almost identical, just white and black, and this one has a little bit of a darker multicolor knit, but besides that, it's the exact, literally the exact same model, so we don't need to talk about those. What these really remind me of is these, the white and multicolor Flyknit Air Force Ones. Now, I don't know if you guys were into sneakers or around when these came out back in 2016 or 2015 maybe, but these are sick. I bought these on release day for retail. They were way too expensive. They were probably like $170 or something like that. And none of the colorways have any resale value. None of the colorways have any hype around them anymore, because they just released more and more and more and more colorways until no one cared about them. But when these came out, this was like the 1st or 2nd colorway. This was a hyped up colorway. This was a colorway that sold out very quick, and I was super happy to get them. And just this white and multicolor on this shoe and on this shoe both look absolutely excellent to me. Like, look at these shoes. They just look great. So all in all, these 4 pairs right here cost me, I guess, $680 when it's all said and done. But if I were to sell them at current market value, I would be getting closer to around $1,200 to maybe even $1,350, which is an incredible return on investment. That is almost doubling my money, which is nuts to say. So I'm very excited about this come up. I am going to buy another pair tomorrow, and then the next day I'm going to buy another pair. But what is your greatest Nike outlet pickup? Throughout the years, I've seen tons of people walking out of the Nike outlet with like 100 pairs of shoes, and I've always been super jealous and envious of their ability to do that, because I just think that is a great business opportunity. If you can find a pair of shoes for $30 that sells for $50, buy as many pairs as you can. Max out your credit card and then sell those pairs, because I mean, that's just, it's an amazing investment to get a 67% return return on something is incredible. So what is your greatest Nike outlet come up? Whether you kept them, like I'm gonna keep a pair of these, or gave them away, I doubt you guys gave them away, or you flipped them and sold them. What is your greatest Nike outlet come up? How much was retail? What was the shoe? And what did you pay for it? Let me know all of that good stuff down in the comment section below, because I'm very curious to hear from you guys. That being said, I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. You guys are some of my favorite people on earth. Tomorrow we will be back with a banger. I'll admit today was a little bit of a filler video that I just wanted to share those pickups with you. I wasn't actually even planning on vlogging today until I got those sneakers, and I said, you know what? We need to share them with the amazing people on this channel. So thank you so much for tuning in. Turn on post notifications for tomorrow's video because you do not want to miss it. And until then, peace.